Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change background color on your Instagram stories. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and capture any photo right here. Like for example, this one, just capture it. Okay. And then what you would do is go ahead and tap on three dots right here at the top right. And as we all know, Instagram doesn't have the straightforward way to add background color for our post. Okay. And here, just select draw. Now go ahead and make sure that you select this icon. Okay. Once done, select the color. For example, this one right here. Okay. And what you'll do next is just go ahead and tap and hold on the photo. Tap and hold. Okay. For about three seconds, then release. As you can see, you now have your background color. Now, once that's done, go ahead and tap on the done button right here at the top. Now tap on the sticker icon. Now go ahead and find a photo. Okay. Tap on it. And here you can just easily select the photo that you want. All right. For example, this photo right here. Like so. That's basically how you do it. If you want to, you can go ahead and further customize your story. If not, just go ahead and tap on the next button and go ahead and share it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.